They threw wholesale chassis changes out this morning, just trying something, anything, to get this car to go down the racetrack. Run a time drive in the 5-speed Liberty transmission instead of the T-Record Turbo 400. It's the only diesel on the planet with the Liberty trans in it. Pro-Mods have them. They all have spark plugs, and they all have the knowledge about how to work them. No one has tried to do this with the diesel before. Larson Miller, Team Fire Pump, you'll see what he can make happen here. Wholesale chassis changes will go down the racetrack. Speed record and the second fastest lap in ODSS history.
Yeah, that was worth the wait, wasn't it?